It doesn't matter what you call your vagina, from down there to vajayjay to VJ, there's no shortage of terms being used these days. There's little doubt that it's one amazing organ. But how well do you know your lady parts, beyond what it does for your sex life? Like, did you know there are thousands upon thousands of nerves packed into just one small area of your vagina? Or that more than one G-spot might exist? Give your vaginal IQ a little boost with some of these impressive facts. Before we dive into the learnings of today, if you are new to our Flick Mind channel, kindly stop and support us now by subscribing to our channel, as we are committed to bringing you daily amazing contents. Thank you. Now to the facts of today. Your clitoris is as big as a penis. Believe it or not, the entire clitoris, which wraps all the way around to the back of the vagina, is about 80% the size of a penis. When you consider the scale of female and male bodies, this means the clitoris proportionately the same size as a penis. There may be more than one G-spot. Most women know the G-spot as a prime erogenous zone, but sex scientists may have identified another area called the A-spot. It's said to be located a few inches above the G-spot, along the belly button side of the vaginal wall. While the findings haven't been replicated by other scientists, meaning the results are still inconclusive, don't let this stop you from trying to locate the A-spot yourself. The fact is, there are a lot of spots inside the vagina that can cause pleasure. Thousands of nerves are packed into your clitoris. The clitoris has only one function: to provide sexual pleasure. And it's very sensitive. It actually has more nerves per millimeter than any other organ, anywhere. In fact, it's estimated to have at least 8,000 nerve endings, the densest nerve supply of any organ, of which males don't have an equal counterpart. Your vagina is slightly acidic. Your vagina has a pH of about 4, a normal range is 3.8 to 4.5, on par with a glass of wine or a tomato. And a little acidity is actually a good thing, to keep things balanced down there. So be careful when using certain feminine hygiene products, which can actually disrupt that balance and create unwanted irritation. The 4 pathways to pleasure. 4 different nerves, the pelvic, hypogastric, sensory vagus, and pudendal nerves, supply the genital area with that amazing sensation you feel during sex. Recent studies of the brain have even found that the sensory vagus nerve passes by the nerves in the spinal cord to produce arousal. This is the reason why some women with complete spinal cord injuries can still experience orgasms in response to sexual stimulation. Women all experience pleasure and orgasm differently. Vaginal lubrication doesn't come from one place. There is some research that both the Bartholin and Skene female prostate glands around the vagina provide lubrication, but most of it actually comes from a process called transudation, when mucus moves through the vaginal wall. Strengthening your vagina can improve orgasm. Kegel exercise or the vaginal squeezes that strengthen your pelvic floor muscles can help with ejaculation during orgasm. In one study, pelvic floor muscle strength between women who experienced ejaculation and those who didn't, and those with stronger pelvic muscles were more likely to experience ejaculation. Kegels can increase sexual responses and help women experience female ejaculations. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.